It is important to update the prices of items on your web store as soon as the prices are changed. Using x2x eCommerce Integrator, updating matrix items prices from RMH is very easy. x2x eCommerce makes it convenient to manage the items on your Shopify site, using your RMH data. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to update the prices of matrix items on Shopify from your RMH. In this example, all the men bikes, whether they are 20-inch or 24-inch, and whether they are red, black or blue, are sold for $1,495. Let's go to RMH and change the price of the blue 24-inch bike to $1,595. After the data is synced, if you go to the e-commerce site and select the 24-inch blue bike, you can see that the price has been changed to $1,595. So, you see, changing item prices from RMH to Shopify is as easy as it can get. Do you want to learn about more of how it works? Get in touch with our experts at x2x eCommerce today to see a quick demo.